at BBC Radio Northampton. My highlights so far, just hearing my name and my voice on the radio is something that it just won't get old.
BBC Radio Northampton's Kirsty Grant spoke to Stephanie Coles.
You are out here in the freezing cold. Around us there's a load of cardboard structures. Why is that?
My advice for anyone applying to the apprenticeship would be yourself. Like, that's it. Think about where you want to end up and what you want to do. So know yourself and be yourself. Good luck.
Hi, I'm Sam.
And I'm Liv.
And we both work at BBC Sport together.
What would you say your best memory's been from this apprenticeship so far?
I think so far it's probably been on the 10 o'clock news.
More than half of young adults say that they're attending fewer games because tickets for them are still too expensive.
How come you prefer to watch it at home or play FIFA?
I think it's just money, really. Look at this.
Fans like Sam are feeling the pinch.
What would you say yours is?
Will probably be being on 5 Live for the radio discussion about young people going to football games.
Joining us tonight, Olivia Portis is 18-year-old. She's a Stoke City fan. Hello, Olivia.
Hello. Advice. I would say never be too afraid to ask questions and take every opportunity you get and be nice to everyone you meet. What about you?
Worst possible answer is no. So never be too unrealistic with what you want to do and achieve.
Hi, my name's Jordan and I am based with BBC Northern Ireland. The highlight of my time at the BBC so far is definitely whenever I got to work with Stephen Nolan on one of his TV shows, The Top Table.
So this is the top table where all the action's going to take place tonight. And of course in this seat, we're going to have Stephen Nolan. I'm taking your job, Stephen.
Oh, yeah.
It's all over for you. Where are you now, Stephen Nolan?
A piece of advice: talk about your passions and your hobbies in your applications and your interviews. It's what will make you different and what will set you apart from other people applying.